You simply have no choice. In order to grow your YouTube channel, you have to master your analytics. But don't worry, Ronaldo didn't suddenly wake up one morning and become amazing at football. It took him years to master it. The good news is it won't take years to learn your analytics, but it can be very overwhelming because there's a lot there in your back end. So this video is just going to show you the key things to keep an eye on. Let's log into your channel to find out more. Click on your YouTube studio, then select Analytics. Now what you can see is the data for your entire channel. First, let's go through the channel data, then we can run through individual videos. This is where your best performing videos are. What you'll find is there's a handful of videos that grow your entire channel. YouTube is much like Hollywood. They make loads of rubbish films that don't really do much, but every now and then, one will explode and fund the whole production for the next batch of rubbish. And then some good ones too. Let's click on the top video in the list for more details. You see it opens up, grow a big graph. Under the graph, there'll be a list of your videos. You can see the watch time, and more importantly, the average viewer duration. We'll go into an individual video's data in a minute, which is very important. Back on the main channel page, you've got your channel views, subscribers, watch time, and earnings when your channel grows over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is 240,000 minutes. Now we want to click on Reach Viewers. This will show you where your views are coming from. This ranges from the words people have typed into YouTube to find you, and where your videos are appearing in the suggested views. There's also your click-through rate statistic, and although it's small, it's very important, and one of the keys to growing your channel. So check out the link in the description, and there's a video in there that will go into this in a lot more detail. Now click on the Interest Viewers section, and you'll see your watch time and average view time for all of your videos. If you want to change the date range of when this shows, click on the top right arrow and select the time frame. Below, we have your top videos, playlists, end screens, and cards. You can click on any of these to reveal more data. There you go, clicked, more information. We've made a video on each section that goes into even more detail on this. The link to that will be in the playlist in the description. Then there's your build an audience section. Here you'll find the information on the demographic watching your content. Again, guess what? There's a link to the video which goes into more detail in the description. Oh, I feel like a broken record here. Next up, we want to check out individual video stats. You can select one of your top videos, or you can use the search bar to dig out the video in question. Now you've found it, click on the analytics button and walk you through the most important stat to keep an eye on ever. First, a quick rundown as to why this is so important. You see, YouTube is a search engine, and it really needs to show the most excellent content first in order to provide the best service to its users. That means it has to show the top videos first, the ones that are the most relevant to search, the ones that people seem to react to best when they like a video, when they subscribe to it, when they comment it. And there are loads of other little features, but the most important one is this, audience retention. This video's average viewer gets 70% of the way through. Now you might think, well, that's not very good, but actually the average video online is only watched 37% of the way through. So the larger this percentage is, the higher you'll appear in search on YouTube and Google, and the more suggested views YouTube will give you. A high average audience retention of a video tells YouTube a few things. The title was relevant to the search term or suggestion, the content then delivered on the title in an engaging way that keeps people interested, and that this is great content, so it needs to get more views to make YouTube's service as excellent as possible. Still with us? There's a lot of information there, but if you do only get 2 pieces of information out of that whole thing, make sure it's that you're always checking your average viewer retention and your click-through rate stat. Now you're going to want to learn how to react to this stat to make sure that it increases if it's low. So check out this video down here and it'll teach you how to do just that. And also make sure you subscribe and join our channel growing adventure of a lifetime. Lifetime.